I've been waiting for this moment for months, and it's finally here. I am finally gonna get a Heritage unit on camera! Yeah! This would be 1989 Rio Grande. Woohoo! We're gonna take a look at that. Woo! Yeah! Oh, yes! Oh, she's a beauty! She is a beautiful thing! Oh, yeah! Look at that thing! Oh, woohoo! Woohoo! Oh, she is beautiful! Yeah! All right. We're gonna watch her to the last moment. Well, we got some guys in Elmhurst for this thing. I hope you enjoy. Enjoy. You've waited a long time for this. We did it. It's out of sight now. We'll watch it go by now. We'll watch this train. That is special. That is special, and that whistle gave me the chills. And the chills have absolutely nothing to do with the air temperature here today. Absolutely nothing. It is freezing. But that doesn't stop a foamer, especially when it comes to a Heritage unit like that. That thing is beautiful. '96 slipped by me 3 times. 1995 came by without me knowing about it. And 1988, still in the area. It came, but I missed it. 1989, nailed! I got it! Yeah! I did it! I got a Heritage unit! But all good things must come to an end, I guess. And that's the end of the train right there. There it goes. Man, I've been having a lot of bad luck lately, but that just made up for it all. Yeah! Yes! Ha ha! On to the next unit. 1989 goes on the list of Heritage units I've caught. So, like I said, all good things must come to an end, I guess. So, that's it.